Hello, everyone. It is room 10832 on board of the Norwegian Encore. This is a club balcony suite, so just slightly larger technically than a balcony. You have your nice large queen size pullout here. And you see you have your king size bed over here. There's spa-like decor here on the Encore. There are USB outlets by both sides of the bed. They are USB-A, just so you're aware. And if we swing back over here, you're going to see you have a ton of closet space here. You have your shelves, and you have your hanging side of the closet. You also have a really nice desk area here, tons of space, more shelves down here, as you can see. Plenty of room to get ready here. Come over here and show everybody the bathroom. You can see you have a really nice, spacious bathroom. Large double vanity there, and then a large shower. Very nice. Check out the balconies here on the club balcony suites. They are small balconies. They're not the biggest balconies, but you have plenty of room here. You have two chairs, you have a little table. It's plenty of room just to get outside, get some fresh air. See, we're still at the terminal here in Miami, the beautiful Norwegian terminal. There is your club balcony, room 10832, on board the Norwegian Encore.